Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can challenge the European Clubs Tour events in eFootball 2024. So this is Tour event versus AI match. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner. New into this game, still confusing how you can charge the event, how you can complete the objective or mission so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this one, the second one, Dream Team, tap it. And this is tap the events. So the first one, tour event, European Club. So this is a versus AI match here, and you can receive GP and skill training program by playing versus AI matches and collecting event points. Include players that have a play, so you can get also training point here. You can really learn about the detail here. And let's get started. Tap continue here. And this is you can set your game plan, your strategy before you are going to play. This is match history, and this is the match setting, like match level. If you are top player, you can use this difficult mode. If you are a new player, you can tap the beginner or amateur. And this is a player control by you or the AI, so you can just watch the match like this. You can learn this. Select AI control to only focus on player substitution and tactical application without controlling player in match. Let's get back. So please proceed the match here. So you are going to play against eFootball AI. So set up your game plan and play the match. Make sure you win it so you can get the rewards from Tour Event European Club. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the button below. Enjoy the game.